Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use print statement in C, C++, Java and Python. Here I'm using Dev C++ compiler. You can use any compiler of your wish to compile C, C++ program. I'm creating a source file. Hash include is a preprocessor directive. You can copy any library functions inside the angle brackets. STDO stands for standard input and output functions. Int main is a function. I'll teach you about that later. Printf is the function which can be used to print the character, string, integer, etc. It should be covered with double quotes ending with semicolon. I'm saving it as test2.c. .c is the extension of C programming. Successfully executed. Let's do it in C++. Hash iostream, which contains all the functions of programs like count and scene, which is basically like printing and taking input and giving output. Using namespace std, we can create a variable of a main function using the same name. And int main is a function here. We are using count instead of printf, as the same double quotes ending with semicolon. Here I'm changing the extension to CPP. CPP stands for C++, which is extension of C++ programming. Executed successfully. Let's do this in Python. I'm using Python 3.6.64 here. In Python, header files and functions will be already included inside the program, so you do not have to drag anything here. Use the same method. Print with double quotes or single quotes gonna work here. It's the easiest programming language ever known. Let's do this in Java. Java is a bit difficult here, but can be understood easily. I am creating a class called hello here, public class hello. You should save the file of Java with the same name of the class. I am creating public static void main, which is a main method where every program of Java starts. System.out.println is a main method to print message to the output. Don't worry about it, I'll teach you later about this. Ending with semicolon, as same as every programming language. I am saving here it as hello.java. The class name and file name should be always similar, or else it won't work here. I'm saving it in Java folder. Typing cmd in the file location, java c space hello.java. A class with the name of Java will be created here. Obviously, if you have no errors in your program. Hello. This is how you use print statement in all 4 languages. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.